All right, number 11. 5d plus 9 minus 4d equals 51 minus 5d. All right, if I have 5d and I take 4d away, I'm left with 1d. Now, oh no, this should be a 9. 9. Let's put all of our variables here and all of our numbers here. Let's add 5d. So the opposite of minus 5d is plus 5d. d plus 5d is a total of 6d. Let's subtract 9 from both sides. I don't want to know about 6 groups of d, I want 1d. So then d is equal to 8. Number 12. Now, number 12 can be a little bit tricky. So here's your heads up. When you distribute, this is minus 2 times 2. This is negative 2 times negative r, which is a positive, because negative times a negative is a positive. Drop everything else down. Distribute. 4 times 2 is 8r. 4 times negative 1 is minus 4. Let's combine like terms. I have 6 r's here and 1 r here for a total of 7 r's. Let's put all of our variables here and all of our numbers here. Let's subtract 7r from both sides. So I have 1r. The opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. We made a mistake. Here's our mistake. Back at negative 2 times r, this should be 2r right here, which would make this 8r. Notice that you have 8 times the number minus 4 is equal to 8 times the same number minus 4. This is always true, which means your solution is all real numbers. 13. This one's an easy one. Let's put all of our variables here and all of our numbers here. So, the opposite of plus 17 is minus 17. So then y is equal to 34. Number 14. Seven minus 3x is equal to x minus 4 times the quantity 2 plus x. Let's distribute. Negative 4 times 2 is minus 8. Negative 4 times x is minus 4x. All right, combining like terms, we have a positive x here and we lost 4 x's here for a total of negative 3 x's. Ready to get all of our variables here and all of our numbers there. Add 3x to both sides. Negative 3x, positive 3x is 0 x's. 0 times anything is just 0. Seven plus 0 is 7. 7 is never equal to negative 8. It's a lie. Therefore, we have no solution. Number 15. Let's put all of our numbers here. So the opposite of minus 9 is plus 9. The opposite of x divided by 5 is x multiplied by 5. So we're going to multiply both sides by 5. So then x is equal to 60. Number 16. Negative 2/3 t equals 22. Negative 2/3 times what over what equals positive 6 over 6, which is the same as 1. Well, it has to be negative, because negative times a negative is a positive. 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6. That means we're going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal so that I can get 1t. Remember that when you're multiplying, 22 is the same as 22 over 1. First of all, you have a negative times a positive, so your answer is negative. I'll multiply straight across. 66 over 2 reduces down to negative 33. All right, 4 more problems. Number 17. C plus 3 times c minus 2 equals negative 34. Let's distribute. Positive 3 times c is 3c. Positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Drop this 4c straight down. Remember we said this was a positive 3c. Combine like terms. We have 4 c's and a positive 3 c's for a total of 7 c's. Let's get all of our numbers here with the negative 34 by adding 6 to both sides. Now I don't want 7 c's, I want 1 c, so let's divide both sides by 7. So c is equal to negative 4. Number 18. Times the quantity 6 plus r equals 40. Let's distribute. 48 plus 8r equals 40. Subtract 48 from both sides. 8r, r equals negative 1. Number 19. 4r plus 11r minus 7 equals 8. Let's combine like terms. I have 4r here and 11r there for a total of 15 r's. Now let's put all of our numbers here by adding 7 to both sides. Now I want to know about 1r, so divide both sides by 15. r equals 1. Last problem. Number 20. 20 is a long one. 5 times the quantity 2m plus 3 minus 1 times 2m equals 6. Times 3 plus 2m minus 2 times 3 minus m. Let's distribute. 5 times 2m is 10m. 5 times 3 is plus 15. Negative 1 times 1 is minus 1. Negative 1 times negative 2 is plus 2m. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 2 is 12m. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 2 times negative m, positive 2m. Ready to combine like terms? 10m and 2m equals 12m. Positive 15 minus 1 is positive 14. 12m plus 2m is 14m. 18 minus 8 is 12. Notice that we have the same exact thing equals the same exact thing. 12 times the number plus 14 is equal to, oh, wait a minute. Oh, we don't have the same exact thing. 12 times the number is not the same as 14 times the number, so we have to keep going. Variables, numbers. Subtract 12m from both sides. 2m. Subtract 12 from both sides. I want 1m, so divide by 2. So m equals 1.